In this class we are going to use goal-seek. For goal-seek we are using very simple mathematics, simple thing, that is find out, that is we are using profit calculations. And for these things, first we have to build the model, and this is our model. And so first we just think shoppers at shopper sell 50,000 product, one product, then product price is 10, and then fixed cost is 30,000 and variable cost is 5, variable cost of per into 5. So we want to find out the profit, then we will use goal-seek. So what is profit? Profit equals to units sold into price. Okay, then variable cost equals to units sold into price. Then fixed cost 30 lakhs, just use equal and just click here, then 30,000 will be there. And then profit equals to revenue minus variable cost minus fixed cost. So for 50, this is our profit. So we want to know if we want to profit 3 lakhs, then what will be the other what are the chances in other variables? If we want to increase our profit, we can do 3 things in this problem. We can increase our unit sold, and we can increase our price, and sometimes we can increase our price because price exactly, if we increase our price, then customer will not buy our product. Then another things, that is variable, we can decrease variable cost. So it's this is a very tough one. Then what we want to do, we want to see that if we want to profit 3 lakhs, then what will be the impact. So for this, so what is our goal? Our goal is to increase profit 3 lakhs, and where it is it is in profit, and this is a formula. You have to focus on it. And another things, you as when you prepare, then please use the same thing. Without equation this will not work. You have to use equations. So click here, and we want to change this profit, then go to data, use goal-seek button, and this is our set cells, and in this cell we want to change our profit, and that is 3 lakhs. To value means 3 lakhs. So, and by changing what? By changing unit sold. Just see, if we are able to we will able to sell 6,000 unit of product, then our profit will be 3 lakhs. So for another problem, first we just take this as input. So for other problem, it's better to take, as in this class we will use other problem as well. So what we want to do, we want to increase our profit up to which level? Up to 3 lakhs. Then goal-seek 3 lakhs, and this is our set sales. We want to change same things, and by changing demand, click OK. Then we'll see the changes, and we have to increase 16,000 more in it. Then another thing we can do, we can increase price. Then at the same, we want to increase our goal is to profit 3 lakhs. Then how? Changing price, and see if price if we increase our price 11.6, then profit will be 30,000. And this is changes. Another thing we can do for this problem, that if we are able to decrease variable cost, then our profit will be increased. For this problem, take another number, not 3 lakhs, 2,50,000. Then see, our goal to increase our profit up to 2,50,000. Then how? Changing variable cost. Okay, if we are able to change our variable cost, then our profit, we can increase our profit up to 3 lakhs by selling same unit product. So 3 things we can do. If we are able to increase our unit sold 66,000, then our profit will be 3 lakhs. Remaining price and fixed cost will be, and variable will be same. Another thing, if we increase our price to 11.6, then our profit will be 3 lakhs. And last one, if we are able to decrease our variable cost to 4.4, then our profit will be. So in every problem 2.5 lakhs, just use the same number. What if 3 lakhs by changing variable cost? So same thing do again for this problem by changing this one, then we can do it. Okay, so our goal was to increase our profit to 3 lakhs. And how can we do it? And this is our goal, and our goal was to increase our profit up to 3 lakhs. And how? First, by changing units sold, by changing price, and by changing variable cost. And in each problem, GoalSeek provide the exact amount, exact number to do. So this is a very useful formula for business decision. We can use in different types of decision.